Oh my goodness, Christmas songs can actually be very boring. Oh my god, I can actually sleep off here trying to do this voiceover. Before I start, I have one confession here, okay? This is probably like the seventh or eighth time I'm doing this voiceover, and I'm already exhausted. I'm tired. I did not want to do this voiceover before, but my friend was like, she prefers to actually listen to me talk than, watch the video with full concentration. So, quick question of the day. Do you guys have any Christmas tradition? Can you tell me about it in the comment section? And by the way, I am Yemi and I make DIY videos. So, let's get into today's video and I'll be showing you today how I did this wall Christmas tree or Christmas wall tree or however you want to call it, okay? I have some garlands here that I bought from Dollarama. I bought five. I think they're about $3.50 each. I got five pieces because I kind of wish I got more, but I don't have that money. Let's be honest, I don't have that money to waste. So I got these garlands and I got some lights. I got the lights from Dollar Tree. I actually went to Dollar Tree first, but they did not have like garlands, so I had to now go to Dollarama to get the garlands and a bunch of other stuff. I got some floral wire, which I'll be using to attach my ornaments and attach my garlands and join my garlands together. I got this wire cutter that I'll be using to cut the floral wire. I also got these ornaments that you're seeing. I got the red box as well, and that's my huge star, which I love the most of everything. I love that the most. I put my push pins on the wall. I know that I'm probably gonna have a conversation with my landlord later about these push pins that are all over the wall in this house, but yeah. Let's just say I'm gonna enjoy the time until then. I attached this garlands to the wall. I kind of joined them to the push pins basically, and I use a floral wire to join them. As you can see, you can use rope or you can use a tape. I just prefer to use this floral wire. I prefer using this to using duct tape or any other thing, because duct tape can just destroy the wall and stuff. Anyways, this is pretty much what it looks like so far. I joined the garlands to each other with the floral wire as well, so that kind of makes a lot of sense. Here's my tree finally coming together. You can really make your tree upside down, I think. Be creative, do whatever you want. I did not take out the labels for my garlands just because I was tired and lazy, so make sure you take yours out, okay? This is the first time I'm making an attempt at decorating my house for Christmas. It's not really something that I do, especially since I became an adult. I don't really do stuff like that. I wanted to attach the lights to the wall. I use a floral wire as well. I think I said floral wire like 58 times right now. Now I'm just plugging the lights together because they kind of have like the plug and then they have like a socket behind that you can use to like join a bunch of them together, which is what I'm trying to do here. So that's pretty much how I joined them together, and they did look nice, if I can say so myself. Okay, I attached them with the floral wire to different parts as well. Yeah, I said floral wire for the 98th time. It's alright, it's all good. I also attached my ornaments to the wall of different colors. I know you're seeing that light below and it looks like it's messing up the aesthetic, but I had that one in the house before and I just wanted extra light, so I used it as well. Okay, now I have one more thing to attach to my tree or to my wall tree, which is the star. I'll be attaching that in a second. I'm just going to put it like on the top of the tree. So you can put this wall tree anywhere in your house that you have a socket, which is pretty much your best bet if you don't want to be using extensions to like connect it and whatnot. So like I asked earlier, do you have any Christmas tradition? Personally, I do not have any. I don't do anything special. So here's me hanging my star. I am so tired, but I'm doing this voiceover anyways. And so my tree is now complete. Like I said, I do not have any, Christmas ritual or Christmas plan or tradition. I just sit at home and eat rice, chicken, drink water, and maybe watch a movie. Right now, I'm just going to, plug my tree to the wall and get this thing all lit up. Okay. So yeah, now I have my tree. It's kind of complete, I think. And I think it looks nice, if I can say so myself, or if I do say so myself. I think it looks nice. If you don't think it looks nice, well, bye to you. That's your business. I don't care. Okay, please tell me my tree looks nice in the comment section. Okay, this is a bougie girl on a budget Christmas tree. I spent roughly $40 on this. Actually, it wasn't just me. Me and my housemates put the money together to do the tree. So basically, yes, I probably spent maybe 20 something dollars or thereabouts. Anyways, that's my tree. That's what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you've seen like a full picture, full video of it at the beginning of this video. Okay. We look at my house at the moment. I think that should be like a Dollarama or dollar store, brand ambassador, because there are just too many decors in this house that have that I bought from Dollarama. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.